guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I did the trim on my tiny house. I have 19 different windows and the front door and the front and back, and I did all of the trim. Today I'm going to be sealing my house for the winter. I have not done this in about 2 years. The last time I did it was in the campground. I had somebody else do it, so they say you're supposed to do it once a year if you have a wood house, so that's what we're going to be doing today, and hopefully I can keep this up and do it every single year. So we're gonna get to it because yesterday it took 5 hours to do the trim, so I'm imagining there's a lot more surface to cover, so let's get started right away. So I have been using a paintbrush to put on the seal, but I think I'm going to switch to this roller because it's a lot easier and it's a lot faster. guys, there is something I'm noticing here. This roller is not getting the tops of the underneath of all of those ledges because it's kind of hard to get to. So I might either have to go back and touch it up with a paintbrush to get under all those areas because the roller's just not doing it. So, or maybe I can keep it because maybe water doesn't touch there. I just saw a cockroach come out of one of the holes that are like in the corners. So I have this diatomaceous earth. I'm going to be putting this in the hole that it came out of, and hopefully it will kill the nest. I also bought combat roach killers, and they were like large roach killers, about 12 of them, and I put those on the inside of the house and in the outside storage. This is the third day and it's already been drying for 2 days, and I'm walking around the house right now and I'm seeing all of this white film type stuff on the house in certain spots. I didn't power wash or do any of that before I resealed this, but maybe it has something to do with dirt or mold spots. I don't know. So that took 3 days to do, the front, the sides, and the back, and hopefully the mold and the bugs will stay away for at least another year. I might be doing this every year, or I'll be taking some of your suggestions and using a different paint or seal or liquid in order for it to last longer. Thanks so much for joining my journey. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notification bell so you can get a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.
Does he need some more? You need some more?
Get away!